Hi guys, hope you all been keeping well. Hey, can I first complain about how freezing it is? This weather is like a joke. Ooh, man, I don't know how we're gonna do DIY on the golf in this, seriously. I mean, I'm up for a challenge, but hey, when the weather's like this, nah man, it's too much, too cold. Your hands just, feel tight and frozen, man. So yeah, let's get that out the way. But yeah, anyway, this video's some upgrades that I've done on the Golf. It was week before last. I decided, to change the front lights on it because the current lights that were on it were plastic, and you know what plastic's like, especially if it's not, the original VW stuff. It was aftermarket lights anyway, and it was deteriorated and really worn out. So I thought, you know what, let me change those. And at the same time, I thought, let me put some carbon fiber mirror covers on, just to make the Golf look a little bit better, because the plain ones don't really do much, So yeah, I thought give the mirrors something that they can pop with, you know what I mean? So yeah, just a few upgrades, nothing major, until the weather warms up maybe. I did try to, shorten the video, not to put too much in it, so I didn't go through every single thing of me taking off the lights and putting, the lights back on and the bumpers, and it was just a vague, idea of where the bolts are, what you need to take off, etc. Because otherwise the videos are just way too long. You can see a couple of my videos on there are like 40 minutes long, so yeah, I didn't want it to be too long, but yeah, hope it helps you guys, hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Next thing we have, guys, is if you look at my lights are shot. Yeah, I've had these for like 2-3 years, and these are plastic lens, so they do deteriorate, and you can see these little like cracks. So yeah, I'm gonna change them out. You can see, look at that one, they're really not in the best of condition. So got some new lights, angel eyes as well, which you can see in there. You guys can see them. So yeah, we're gonna stick those in, and this is the tasty upgrade, this carbon fiber mirrors for the Golf. So yeah, drivers and passenger sides, so hopefully they'll look quite cool, because I don't know, the standard ones don't really do much looking at them. So, and I think mine in the past was red or something, and it's been painted over with this black. So yeah, thought I'd show a few bits and pieces, get this stuff on the car, and do a sort of finish video of what it looks like with upgrades on. So thanks for watching, guys. Cheers. Alright, let's get cracking. Screwdriver. First thing to do with these cars, usually is take the grill off. Mine's not been pinned in at the top or anything, so nice and easy. Flip it out. Best thing to do is just put a plier in there, long nose, and then just split it open. Usually that should take it off. There we go. Nice and easy, guys. Nice and simples. center bolt as well was snapped when I bought the car, so yeah, I've only got 2, which is more than enough really. And obviously when I built the car, you can see these are the bolts that hold the intercooler from the top. So let's see, little indicator. There's 2. And let's start the car and turn the wheels so we can get into there. So I'm going to release all those screws in the wheel arch and on the other side as well. Just make sure I can get to them. Those 4 screws, just 4 screws on the front of there, guys. Now I'm not going to take the camera and show you, it's pretty much simple. So 4 screws on the back of there. I've done the other side already, and our bumper should just slide off. So loosening from the front. Yeah, there we go. That's good. Make sure you're holding it. Guys, front bumper off. Right guys, as you can see, our intercooler is looking rather dirty after so many, 2 years of use. Probably need to trim the bumper a little bit, it's touching slightly on there. So yeah, do that. Next, guys, is take the headlights off. So there's two bolts at the top and 2 underneath. The headlight should just slide out. That's pretty much it. That's how to change your headlights. You don't drop these screws, because if you run over them, it's a puncture straight away. Be careful. And that's those 4 out. Yeah, it's got some movement on it, so let's unplug it. Guys, 1 VW Mark 4 headlight out. Here's all my hose pipes, you can see. Silicone little tip for you guys. I put silicone wherever it's gonna wear out. I just put a bit of like an old silicone pipe, cut it up, slit it in the middle so it opens like a C. And yeah, as you can see, previously I had wear and tear on that pipe. You can see it there. So what I've done is I've put that over. All you do is just actually holds onto the pipe on its own. And that's it. Done. Worked on this car so much. You know, when you've worked on something, you always go back to it and you can remember the last time you took it apart. So it's just bringing back memories when I was doing, you know, all the intercooler stuff, and when I started fitting back the lights and bumper and all that. Yeah, good fun, eh? Alright, so that's the next one out, guys. You, my friends, are old. Right, there we have it, guys. Right, guys, so looking at these lights, it looks like you've got to obviously put your own bulbs in them. That's what they look like. And these are glass as well, which I think is better, to be honest, because glass doesn't deteriorate at all. So yeah, that's what they look like anyway, guys. So I'm going to take all my bulbs from my other one and swap them around. Right, guys, fitting these headlights, as you can see, those are the old ones. Obviously, because it runs angel eyes or halos or whatever you want to call them, there's some additional wiring that comes, which I'm going to sort of try and tidy all along there, under there. I've just got it under there, if you can see it, yeah. So we're going to button it up this side, try and hide all the wires. It's got a relay and everything that we're going to try and hide. So yeah, it's not the simplest to fit, really. It's not just a simple plug and play, it's definitely different. And another thing I noticed as well, on my old lights, all the bulbs were I think is it H3 or H? Yeah, H3. And the ones on these lights, which I presume are the normal Mark IV bulbs, are all H7. So yeah, I've got to change all the bulbs, so it's a pain in the ass really, but yeah, so some additional work required, but we're getting there slowly. So let's see what it looks like when it's done. Yeah, so you can see with this wiring, just got it under, you know, this slam panel, all the way under there. And you can see it, and it basically runs into that. These lights come with a brand new cover as well, so I've put all like the, what you call it, all the main stuff in there, like the relays and stuff, fuses, all that. We'll run the cable out, you know, just out of the side, up into there, and then obviously, you know, put our earth on there, our power on there, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the wiring. Alright guys, so mirrors are off, well, driver's side for now. Quite simple really, because these only just slide over, yeah, and they're like clip in with, there's a clip in there, and then the clip in at the bottom here, right? So basically, before you take it off, just get hold of your mirror, bend your mirror out as far as you can, and like just pull it out, and then it sort of takes it out itself out of there. Once it's taken itself out, obviously if you have heated mirrors, just disconnect it, take your glass out, then pry here open, yeah, I don't know, this one was already broken. But yeah, pry it open and then, you know, pull that clip backwards and then just pull it straight up when it comes off. So pretty much simple. And yeah, let's put our carbon ones on now, guys. Lights are in, so we're gonna start putting stuff back on. Bumpers over there, done a bit of trimming on the bumper just to know, because you could see it was catching a few places, so just made sure I trimmed it because it doesn't end up making holes in my boost pipes, which wasn't going to be good. So yeah, that's where we are. We still have to do the wiring for the angel eyes, but yeah, we'll do that later. So, and my carbon mirrors are on, guys. What do you think? I think they're quite cool. What I've done is, for extra security, where that clip is, I've just put some glue as well, both sides. I'll show you the other side as well, because, you know, in case someone tries and pinch them, you can see it's sort of welded to there. They'll have to break stuff to get them off. So yeah, hope it looks nice, eh? Hope it will look better once the bumpers and everything's on. So yeah, it's the moment of truth, guys. Thought I'll go from the back to front, just for you to wait for the anticipation. So yeah, there we go. That's what our new lights look like. Really nice, actually. I might prefer this sort of older look. This is similar to the old M5, isn't it? Whereas before I had like the white LEDs on it. But yeah, it looks quite cool, I think. I'll put the full beam on as well so you guys can see. Really looks nice, I think. Get a nice shot from there. And then our trendy mirrors as well, guys. What do you think of our carbon mirrors? You can see the weave in it very nicely, which is always sexy. So yeah, obviously the way it's made is that carbon sort of stops and only starts on the outside of this, so it starts from about there somewhere. But yeah, still looks nice. At least it's real carbon, none of this printed stuff. So yeah, nice shot from there. And then on full beam, it's on full beam now, so you can see both of them on there. Quite bright, actually. It's really coming along, this Golf. It's really starting to look a lot better with these bits and pieces and stuff. So yeah, bits and pieces, guys, for you. Hope you enjoy, you know, the updates that I'm doing to the Golf. I am looking for a decent rear wing for it. I just don't know which one to go with. I want carbon fiber, but it's so difficult to find carbon fiber, you know, a decent carbon fiber rear wing. I think there's one in America and it's really pricey. So yeah, I think that'll definitely finish it off. But yeah, we'll keep that for maybe later. We've got more money, we can play more. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and take care.